Hi, let's get ready for a race weekend with MyRacing. The app works both as web app and mobile app. Here we'll start with the view on my laptop. As you see on my dashboard, I have a track day event planned in Valencia and saved in the app. Let's have a look. Before the event, you'll get access to an hourly weather forecast. It shows not only the air temperature and chances of rain, but also the expected temperature, precipitation, and predicted grip of the track surface. If you've been to the track before, you can check your past log performance. I added some corner notes before. Let's see them. All the tips I've saved I can now print and take with me to the track or just check them on my phone. Events have three phases: preparation, with all you need to get ready; the active phase during the event where you can log your sessions and get AI Coach instant reco; the debrief phase, once the event is over, where you can get the key learnings and plan what to focus on next. Let's start with saving info on the bike, setup, and tires. I can change that later if needed. Now let's start packing. You can add items to your checklist manually or get help from our AI coach. All the items and tasks you need to remember will be generated for you. You just pack along and cross things off the list. The best part is our unique AI race coach that assists you during all three stages of the event. At first, it focuses on personalized tire readiness tips, setup recos, and full event preparation based on the track specifics, bike details, and your history at that track. But you may ask anything in your own words at any stage. Hope you enjoyed the experience. Remember that all these AI features are available in MyRacing Pro plan for less than £1 of race fuel monthly. Visit us at MyRacing.Online for details and registration.